Hey everyone, this is Lol already from Abstract Music Lab, and today I'm back to the sound design channel to create a lead inspired by Stephan Bodzin, and it sounds like this. This is the original sound. And if you want to listen to it in context, as usual, if you want to get this preset, you can get it here in the description below, available in the preset pack for Vital called Circular Deep Sounds from Production Music Live. And let's get down to business and let's get started with the sound design. We're gonna initialize Serum. We're gonna use LFO tool over here to create a little bit of movement in the sound, but we're gonna initialize Vital. But before we begin, let's look at the MIDI a little bit so you guys can see what we're working with today. So this is a simple lead over here. We're gonna just start by playing just in the A minor scale. But let's get back to Vital. For this preset, you're gonna need to grab the massive wave tables available here also in the description below, directly from Production Music Live website. And you can start by choosing them, the square saw for all three waves. And it sounds like this. We're gonna have to put the frame all the way up for both of them. The unison is going to go to 4. And we're gonna have to go to the advanced tab, and we're gonna have to put the detune range over here to 1. So that means that instead of detuning 2 semitones, we're just detuning 1 semitone. And it sounds like this. Now we're gonna go into also activating the sample. It's gonna be white noise, and the level is going to be around over here. Now we're gonna choose the filter. We're gonna put key track all the way up. We're gonna put the resonance to around 20%. The cutoff is going to go all the way down, and we're gonna activate oscillator 1, 2, oscillator 3, and the sample. And you're not gonna listen to anything because the cutoff is all the way down. It's really quiet. So now to activate this cutoff, we're going to use envelope 2 over here. We're going to put the attack to around 0.50. The decay is going to go to around 0.40 and the sustain around 0.58. And now the release is going to go also to around 0.50. Not going to be a thing, and we're going to modulate this all the way up. Now let's go into the effects section, and in the effects section we're going to start here with a distortion. After the distortion we're going to choose a compressor, then a chorus, a delay, and lastly a reverb, just so we can already set everything up over here. But distortion first, soft flip drive to around 14% and mix to around 50. Without it, it gives a little bit of that distortion feeling. Now compressor, we're going to put it here to single band. The band is going to go to 4 dB, something like this. And now we're going to also have to pick this hand over here. We're going to put it all the way down. This handle, we're going to put it to around 6. And that's about it. Now chorus, we're just going to add a little bit of chorus. It's just going to be a slight chorus. Frequency all the way down to 16 to 1. Voices to 8. And also the depth is going to go all the way up. Now the cutoff is also going a little bit to around 100, and the spread is going to around 50%. Without the chorus. The chorus is supposed to give a little bit more of turbulence in the sound. But now the delay is going to go in stereo mode. We're going to put this here to 1 to 32, and it sounds like this. You can see there's a little bit of a in the sound, and we're going to put the mix all the way down to around 8%. The feedback is going to remain as it is. The cutoff is going to go around 100 again, and the spread is going to go around 0.60. Let's go 0.57. Lastly, we're going to activate a reverb. We're going to first pick the low and put it around over here. we're going to choose here the cutoff and the gain, but it's going to go around over here. And now the chorus is going to remain as it is. The size is going to go a little bit down. The delay is going to remain as it is. The time is going to go around over here, and the mix only a tad as well. Now, if you want to listen to it in context, as usual, if you liked the video, hit the like button. If you loved it, subscribe to the channel and leave it here in the comment sections if you have any other suggestions here for the sound design channel. But I hope you liked the video, and I hope to see you next in the next sound design channel video. This is Lel already from Abstract Music Lab. Cheers.
Hi, this video is sponsored by us. If you like these tutorials and want to support the channel, please check out our website packed with online courses and professional sample packs. Also check our ready-to-use and club-tested Serum presets. You can browse by the genre and style you're looking for, or get the incredible deal with the full Serum preset bundle. Thank you for listening, and now let's get back to your tutorial.